In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for email. By the end, you'll know how to turn rough thoughts into polished messages, tailor tone with a single prompt, bring the results back into your inbox, and even streamline the whole process with helpful tools and automations. To start, open ChatGPT and paste in either a rough draft of your email or a clear set of requirements. Give it the context it needs to help you, who the recipient is, what outcome you want, any key points that must be included, and the tone you're aiming for. If it's time sensitive or has constraints like word count, mention those too. Avoid pasting sensitive or confidential information. If needed, replace specifics with placeholders so you can safely shape the message before personalizing it later. Next, ask ChatGPT to refine the wording. Simple, direct prompts work best. Ask it to rewrite to be more professional, make it concise, or adjust the tone to be more diplomatic. You can guide it further by saying you want it friendlier, more formal, or neutral, and to keep all original facts intact. If the first pass isn't quite right, follow up with small adjustments like softening a sentence, clarifying a request, or adding a courteous closing. Iteration is normal and only takes a few seconds. When you're happy with the draft, copy the output back into your email client, add your subject line, confirm the greeting, and sign off match your relationship with the recipient, and check any dates, figures, or links. This is also a great moment to restore any details you intentionally redacted earlier. Give it a quick proofread so it sounds like you, not just a template, and verify attachments and formatting before you hit send. If you want suggestions directly inside your inbox, consider installing a browser extension like ChatGPT Writer. With it enabled, you can draft or reply within Gmail and other web-based clients without switching tabs. Treat its suggestions as a starting point. Fine-tune wording, verify accuracy, and make sure it aligns with your organization's privacy and security guidelines. Finally, you can connect ChatGPT to Gmail or Outlook through automation platforms such as Zapier. Create workflows that draft emails based on specific triggers, like a new form submission or a status change in a project tool. Start with create draft actions so you can review messages before they go out, add approval steps for safety, and log activity for accountability. Test with non-critical messages first, then expand once you're confident. That's it. With a clear prompt, quick iteration, and smart tools, you'll write better emails in less time.